Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. This has nothing to do about Corel Draw. It's a little bit of a show and a tell, or show and tell. November 27th, 2014, I put my first YouTube video. Today, 8 years later, I have 7,428 Corel Draw videos. 8 years is 2,920 days, so 7428 divided by 2920 is 2.54 videos a day on average. For the 8 years, I have 1,586, more than two a day. So there's almost half the time I put, well, the average tells you that, but at first I didn't put that many videos per day. I've got almost 8.6 million views, growing more and more each day. For the month of November, I have an average of 8,134 hits a day. I've got almost 31,000 subscribers. And I have all that to thank by these two men. Roy Brewer from Engraving Concepts out of Arlington or Houston, and Roger Walbolt he's a senior product trainer for Corel Draw. These two men are probably the most knowledgeable, they are. They're the most knowledgeable two men about Corel in the country. And I also have to thank Engraving Concepts, which Roy started, but now Jeanette runs it with Randy and Jimmy, and Roy is still there. This is your epilogue dealer for a lot of states around Texas, and Randy had been one of my, and Jimmy too, been one of my major mentors. But the main reason I do it is for the thanks and the nice comments I get. That's what keeps me going. And with that said, if you ever have a question about Corel, email me at this address. Send me a file. Send me the Corel file, and then kind of explain what's going on. And if I don't know the answer, I've got two big shots that can help me figure it out. Anyway, thank you for watching.